parang worth it ba talaga siya. Pero so far, I can tell that this is really worth it because it's, tingnan nyo naman, ang liit-liit lang ng camera. And then, I'm also looking for a camera which is so handy. At the same time, it has a good quality of videos that para naman sa inyo. Charots. Ayan, diba? Ang saya ko. So, let's unbox this later. I'm so excited. But, I also want to show you some of the freebies na kasama sa binili kong camera. Alright. So, and then next is, it has a carrying case. Ayan. Home. Diba? So, ayan guys. Tsaka pagpasensyahan nyo na yung natin, yung setup natin. It's just at home. But, kasi nga, mag-unbox na natin. And then, it has I think this is a Gorilla Pod. So, okay, let's unbox this. And it has a scan disc for this one. Diba? Hindi ako magaling magsalita pag nag-unboxing, guys. So, but I will try my best na gagalingan ko pa in the future. Anyways, ako na natin tong box. Kaya natin siya. So, first, charan. Oh, meron siyang char. What's this? A Bluetooth. Next, may mga parts. Alis na muna kayo dyan. Hindi nyo pa time. So, to all of my English friends, just turn on the subtitle. But I will try to speak English for you guys in the future. It's just awkward for me right now. So, kinakabahan ako. Parang pinapawisan ako mag-English. And then, ayan. So, just turn on the subtitle. Subtitle. So, yay! I have a Gorilla Pod. The Gorilla Pod is from Pocket2. Ayan o, Pocket2. Hindi ito sponsored, charots. Hindi mo yung sponsor. So, lahat nito guys, galing yan sa akin. Tugot pawis, charots. Enjoy ako. Ayan, tsaka pasensya na sa lighting kasi dito sa kwarto, lang siya, yung yellow. Tapos meron akong small na light doon. Ayan, oh, this is so nice. Tsaka, so, super nice, super handy, super handy, char. Yan, ins lang natin. Tsaka, yan, tignan mo, yan. Hindi siya mabigat. Yay! Tignan natin. Ayan. Tapos yun may isa, i-connect. Yan! Ba't siya may ganito? No? Siguro. Kasi nga, alam ko na, mga ngots. So, I'm so stupid. So, you will connect it to your phone. Chang, 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 chang. Very good. I like it. So far, how much I spent with this one? So, I spent... kasi nga in-order ko siya as a gift for myself. Pero for sure, I spent $520 for all of this, which is super sulit because I have the memory card. Kung bibilhin nyo ito, mahal din to. And I like it. And then, ayan, pag ginanyan mo, ganun ka lang. Yan. Yay! Perfect. Masaya ko so far. Pocket2. Thank you. Alright. Okay, next. Next in line. Siyempre, hindi ko na i-unbox itong escapades. Next in line is this one. So, kind of like invest also on the camera case because I want to protect my small mini camera. Charots. Ayan. what's inside this case. See? Gosh, I really like it. Then may casing siya. Ayan o. Gosh, ito lang siya, guys. Look at my face. Mas malaki pa. My face is larger than the camera. Oh. Wow, I'm so happy. And then, huwag ko muna siyang gagamit. I will film the part 2 on how I use this one. Kasi super wala talaga akong idea how to use this one. satisfied ako sa Adorama website. I invest on this gadgets because I love to make more videos for you, and I hope you love it. And for my next video, I think I'm going to make a review for this camera. But so far, I really love what I see. Everything is super cute and super handy, and I think, yeah, kita ko naman yung ibang reviews ng gumagamit nito. They are a satisfied customer. So, thank you, Adorama. I really love all the freebies that is included when I bought this product. And yeah, guys, see you on my next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Eunice, your Orange County girl. And comment down below for any suggested videos that you want me to do. And I hope you have a great day. God bless everyone. Thank you so much.